In a bank, principal increases continuously at a rate of 5% per year. An amount of ₹1,000 is deposited with this bank. How much will it worth after 10 years? E raised to 0.5 equals to 1.648. This is the given value. Let P be the principal amount and T be the time. According to the question, dp by dt is equals to 5% per year, right? So 5 upon 100 into P. So taking P on the left side and T to the right side. So integration of 1 upon P dP is equals to integration of 5 upon 100 is 1 upon 20, so 1 upon 20 dt. So log P is equals to 1 upon 20 T plus C. So taking log on the right side, so it will become e raised to, and this will go in the power of e, this term. So P is equals to e raised to T upon 20 plus C. Now we have to find the value of T and C. Now at T is equals to 0, P is equals to 1000. Sorry, so the T value is given, right? At T is equal to 0, P is equal to 1000. Okay, so because 1000 rupees was deposited. So putting these values, 1000 is equals to e raised to 0 upon 20 plus C is equals to, therefore e raised to C is equals to 1000. Okay. Also at T is equals to 10, T is equals to e raised to 10 upon 20 plus C. So again using the rules of indices, so this is just e raised to 10 plus 20 plus C, right? So we can write it e raised to 10 plus 20 into e raised to C. So e raised to 10 plus 20 is in 1 upon 2 into e raised to C. So e raised to half, so 0.5 into e raised to C is 1000. So 1000. So P is equals to e raised to 0.5 was given as 1.648 into 1000, therefore 1648. After 10 years, the total amount will be rupees 1648.